The Bright MLS T3 Home Demand Index makes exclusive insight into near real-time home buyer demand accessible to you. Whether you're marketing to prospects, growing your social media influence, or including as part of a listing presentation or offering strategy, Bright helps drive your business forward. Check out insights on buyer home demand across all of Bright's footprint using the Greater Metropolitan Market Areas map available from homedemandindex.com. You can use it to dive into deeper county and zip code information by market area. This map is a high-level overview of all the areas covered by this index. It's color-coded by Greater Metropolitan Market and Market Area. Click on a Greater Metropolitan Area report icon or go to the detailed report available for that Greater Metropolitan Market Area. You'll be able to click on View Details and scroll down to find the interactive map. Or hover to get a little more information about what's included in an area. Click on a county to drill down to a map narrowed to that regional market area. On the Home Demand map, you'll find an economist summary of current market conditions for the Major Metropolitan Market Area associated with that map. With each level of this map, you'll find the color coding is indicative of the Home Demand Index rating or tier. Your legend is included just below the map. To the right, you'll see the index and tier key in text. You can hover to get a tooltip with more detail, including that region's overall home demand index, value, tier, and definition. Click on a specific market or the county's button to narrow your focus further. On a specific county, you can click to zoom in and see the zip codes that are associated with that county. You can download or get the code to embed this map if, say, you have a website that you'd like to feature this information on. What's awesome about this embed is that it will automatically update when a new report is available. Learn more at brightmls.com/home demand index.